What's up, everybody? Hopefully you guys are doing good. I'm missing the cruise life. You know, I'm going on 2 years since I've been on a freaking cruise ship, man. It's the longest dry spell there is for me, and it's unbelievable. But a lot of you guys are having the same kind of withdrawals that I am. But we're waiting on the CDC if they're going to extend the no sail order. And that's supposed to happen within the next few days. And if it doesn't happen, CLIA, you don't know what CLIA is, I can't remember what it all stands for, but it's basically all the cruise lines kind of getting together and having their own kind of committee kind of thing. You know, those guys are saying, hey, we've got these protocols in place and all this kind of stuff. I see Norwegian, and who is it? Royal Caribbean. They put all these protocols in place like, hey, once we go cruising, this is what we're going to do. Carnival hadn't come out and put out theirs yet. MSC's already cruising in Europe. And then, you know, and they've been following Europe. Like, that's kind of like we've all been kind of looking at, like, since they started cruising in Europe again, we're kind of watching to see how they, you know, do things. And let me just say, I do believe by the end of October, I would say by the 1st of November, probably that first week in November, I think that we're going to see some ships going to the Caribbean out of the United States of America, okay? And that's a good thing. It really is. And hopefully if everything goes well with that, because I've got a back-to-back cruise coming up in April of next year. And so when I hear of all these protocols going in place and we're going to test things out, I'm sitting there thinking, man, I hope these cruisers don't ruin it. When they say wear a mask, wear a mask. You know what I mean? Because that's basically what I'll be doing when we go. If this is still going around in April, and I think it will be, I don't think I'll be wearing this one. This is work mask. I've got like different masks for, like, I got Dallas Cowboy mask and stuff. But my wife will like make me some like cool looking mask and stuff. I may buy some too, but I mean, you know, you can have fun with it, you know? You can have a little fun with it. And this is the way I see it, man. Anything to get us back on a cruise ship, kind of have that normal thing going, which I don't think it's going to be completely normal. My question is this whole shutdown, is it going to ruin some of the ports? Some of the smaller ports, especially the ones that I have scheduled. I got scheduled Jamaica. Now Jamaica's not going anywhere, obviously. They have their own thing. I have Grand Cayman. I don't think this is going to affect Grand Cayman, but I think this will probably affect Belize and Honduras, and that's like my favorite stop in the Western Caribbean is Rotan, whatever. Mahogany Bay. I love that port and the excursions there, the snorkeling, and I hope, because they rely on the cruise industry, their tourism. I don't think their tourism is like Cozumel, whereas Cozumel can kind of stand alone. Same thing with Grand Cayman. Grand Cayman can stand alone. Jamaica, I guess they could kind of stand alone too. But Honduras and Belize, I don't know. They may be changing a lot of that stuff, you know, because what if it wrecked their economy? I hope not. I hope we can get back there and got, you know, those are like some good spots. I've only been to Belize once. This will be my third time to Honduras. So anyway, so I hope these people that the initial cruisers, once they get started again, don't ruin it. It's like, do your social distancing. Hey, if you test positive for COVID, here, let me do this. This is getting loud. If you test positive for COVID-19, don't hide it. You know what I mean? Don't hide it. And because that's kind of what we're all been waiting on, us and all the freaking cruisers. Sorry about that. That guy said my load was ready, and so I pulled up, and now I'm waiting on my paperwork. So yeah, that's kind of what we're waiting on. It's going to take a month or so to get everything back in place, but I see a lot of different changes going to be happening. I don't think the dining room is going to be as busy and as crowded as it is. There'll be a little bit more distancing, which is good, because the tables are pretty close to each other, and I see that that's going to be spread out. Maybe I don't know. I don't know by April if they're going to be 100%. I kind of hope they don't, because that means there's less crowds on the ship, and that could be a good thing. That's a good positive for me. Social distancing is like the best thing. Like, hey, keep your distance, man. I just hope that we still have like shows, like comedy. Those are the things I enjoy doing, and playing bingo, doing a little bit of casino stuff. I sure hope we're still able to do stuff like that. A little bit of normalcy, but we'll see. I just hope it doesn't get ruined. Hope it doesn't get ruined. People be disciplined with their mask and stuff like that. Take some. Here's the deal. This is what hardly any of the mainstream media is saying. It's like, take your vitamin C. Take your vitamin C. I take them in my gummies and stuff, and I don't get sick. I've been taking them for about a year. and I haven't gotten sick, not as much as a sniffles. No, I mean, I haven't got as much as a sniffles, man. And I don't think I ate mine this morning. I think I missed the thing, but anyway, but that's what I do, and I think that if we're all kind of be health conscious in this, I think we'll not get sick. Maybe that's the big thing, is just making sure we're getting all our vitamins and minerals. And anyways, I do want to do a shout out to the two channels that I get all my cruise information from, and that's Lolito Loca and it's Don's Family Vacations. I watch those two channels religiously through the shutdown, and even before the shutdown, I was watching those two. And then I like the vloggers like ECC Travels and stuff like that. One of my favorites is Jim. Oh gosh, can't think of his name. It's Jim something. Man, that's so embarrassing. He's an older guy, and he's usually has a mustache or maybe some facial hair, but he's got this like St. Louis Cardinals cap. Jim something. Man, that's embarrassing. But I watched a lot of his videos. When he's kind of like me, when he goes cruising, he takes video and puts music over it and all that kind of stuff. Man, I just can't wait to be on a cruise ship next year. 2 weeks back to back on the Vista, out of Galveston. I just can't wait. And we're going to be, by that time, we're going to be over 2 years of not being on a cruise ship. That's going to suck, but getting back on will be all right. So anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe. I'll be showing you some different stuff throughout this slow period. Got some big things happening, and I kind of want to share it with the viewers here and everything. Green screen stuff is not happening because it's currently, all that stuff is in a box. It's in a box. That's the reason why my studio is here at work. Anyways, thanks for watching the video, guys. You guys take care in 73.